Hello and welcome to the Roadside Realities channel. Today, we examine the risks associated with faulty brake systems. It's essential to understand this for everyone's safety on the road. Let's dive right in. Just because of a mistaken press on the gas pedal, the car plunged into the lake. The car moved too fast, causing a terrible accident for itself. It's really hard to see at night, so drivers should go slower.
Oh no. Oh no.
The driver ran down to try to find a way, but it didn't work. The car suddenly swerved into the road. Everything happened terribly. The accident happened due to the lack of observation by both drivers. The container lost control, directly climbing onto the road barrier, causing a collision with a car. The collision will certainly leave the driver with many valuable lessons. Praying that the car won't fall into the abyss. Another accident at the intersection. Drivers need to be more careful. Both cars failed to observe, leading to a collision. Nighttime is when vehicles need to be more careful while crossing intersections. What kind of force did the car encounter to make it move so terribly? Both were going quite fast, but it seems the driver of the black car won't stop to resolve it. An accident due to running a red light, really dangerous. Moving at excessive speeds is never encouraged. If the driver had observed more carefully, none of this would have happened. The car probably suddenly lost its brakes, causing it to slide straight out of the door. The cargo was too heavy, causing the vehicle to lose balance and topple over on the road. The driver tried to run after to stop the vehicle, but it was too late. The truck and the car tried to cross the railway, but only the car succeeded. If it's really not necessary, the driver should lower the cargo, not leave it like that. After the collision, the car seemed unable to brake in time and was pushed into the lake. The consequences of a container losing its brakes are really terrible. Because it tried to brake too suddenly, the car skidded and spun several times on the road. The car overturned on the side of the road after the collision. The car lost control and lost its brakes. Luckily, it didn't cause a collision.
Again, I don't want you to spill any secrets, but the top secret stuff that you were working with.
The car was going a bit too fast, causing a collision with two vehicles on the road. The car was in too much of a hurry, crashing continuously into both sides of the road. The car should have seen the moving container truck. The car lost control immediately after the collision. Really dangerous. The car stopped too close to the railway track and has to take responsibility. The truck swayed continuously and then collapsed on the road due to loss of balance. The motorbike rider was probably very dizzy. At intersections, accidents seem to happen. As a matter of course, the driver probably lost a bit of focus on the road, leading to such a collision. The motorcycle was hit from behind. Luckily, it was a minor collision.
From the lease, it was amazing. Let me jump to the business stuff first.
The driver's distraction caused an accident, knocking down a roadside pole.
She is...
Cyclists should ride close to the curb for better safety. This curve is probably quite slippery, so vehicles often skid. Two cars failed to observe properly, took too wide a turn, and collided at the intersection. The car overtook too closely, causing a collision. A car losing its brakes caused a chain accident involving several vehicles. Two cars collided at the intersection due to not maintaining a safe distance. The car tried to overtake inside but was too close, so it climbed onto the curb. The car changed lanes without signaling, causing the following car to react too late. Drivers must carefully observe other vehicles before changing lanes. The car moved too hastily and crashed into the vehicle in front. Another speed-related accident at the intersection, although it was quite minor.